I get too attached to trusting better halves. In a flash, we lost all that we had. I feel guilty every time we laugh, cause I couldn't see behind your mask. Could it be the timing or the wrong place? Getting sick of hearing you say always. Show a little effort and that's all it takes. How could I feel safe with a city down? All the nights I pray you would be around. No, please don't go.
Share ko lang sa inyo, story time. Hindi ko natapos akyatin yung bundok. Natatay na ako, tas nilalamig ako eh. Hindi ko kanaya, bumaba ako. Wala pa sa kalahati, bumaba na ako kasi parang iba pakiramdam ko eh. Parang sa ibang bansa, parang nasa Thailand. Ayan. Share ko sa inyo kung magkano mga babayaran dito guys. 20 pesos sa may environmental fee, 50 pesos sa may registration, so 70, tapos 500 sa tour guide. Sa tour guide naman, per bundok, 500, tas kaya niyang i-accommodate is hanggang 6 na tao. 746. Ayan. Ooh. Hindi naman pwede umakyat na walang tour guide kasi baka mamaya, alam niyo na, for safety, di ba? Pero before, nakakyat na ako sa may, ayan, sa may Binakayan. Ganda oh.
How could I feel safe with a city down?